Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Listen to how quiet this solar fan is. And I'm not just in love with the fact that it's quiet, it's also simple to use, makes a strong breeze, and one solar charge can last for hours. This was just perfect for my pop-up gazebo. It gets a little stuffy in there sometimes, and the breeze from this tiny solar fan keeps me comfortable while I read or enjoy time with friends. It comes with a remote control that you can choose the speed of the fan and several different light modes. I am thoroughly impressed by how much air this little fan can move. It charges rather quickly in the sunlight with its 2 solar panels that connect to the C port in the fan. I left this in the sun for an afternoon, and when I hung it in my gazebo, it lasted for several hours. Assembly was very easy, there were no tools required, and everything you needed came in the kit. I simply put the fan blades on, charged it up, and it was ready to go. So if you're ready to beat the heat but still enjoy the outside summer vibe, then I really think you should check out this outdoor solar fan. This would also be great for tent camping and would be a great gift for the outdoor lover in your life. And that's my point of view.